Oh, you're gonna move back to Hong Kong? You're done with Europe? Yeah. Please go to Okinawa. I won't be going Okinawa, but I really do want to go Okinawa. Yeah. Okinawa be nice. Yeah, no plans. Summit. Ooh. Yeah. So I learned from Kana that a good time to go to Okinawa is like right after Golden Week. So maybe like when I came here, I should have gone straight to Okinawa. I think Okinawa is closer to Singapore anyways. Like fly into Okinawa. Apparently it's a nice time. G-Shock. Not too hot, not too cold. And then you just avoid the rainy seasons as well. Yeah. Because when you're in Okinawa, you want to... Okay, Okinawa is more or less hot the whole time, but when you want to swim, then you want to avoid, you know, winter time. There are snakes in Okinawa? I think so. It's some yacht, fancy hotel clubs, casinos. Oh, as in that's what you would do? No. No, that's Macau. You're thinking Macau, Carlston. Yeah. I've been inside a casino, but I've never, like, placed a bet. I feel like I should try. For fun. All in on Twitch money. Go big or go home. Like, bet black. We seen your scratch card. We haven't been lucky on the scratch card. Yeah, scratch card not going so well. But I still believe, okay, maybe not first prize, second prize, third prize, or fourth prize, but I believe we can still win $10. We can still win 10. They have free whiskey while gambling? Nice. Zumi Casino stream? No. You guys will be a distraction. I need to concentrate. Win. I don't mind going with, like, streamer. Like, as long as I'm not the one streaming, it's fine. But, like, I can go with a bunch of streamers. But I'd be like, don't talk to me. I'm deciding black or red.
May_JPN cheered. X200.
Thank you, May, for the 200 bits. Arigato. We might bring you luck. Hey, I would believe it if I actually won something in the scratch card. Still in the losing. Lose. How does this custom command work? Oh, like, you just add whatever you want. You know, it can be exclamation mark cue it, and then when you type that, it can say mayonnaise. No. If you play roulette, you tend to go for your birthday numbers. Oh, is that what it is? Huh. Oh my god, back when I used to play RuneScape. Nice pets, thank you. You should add ginger to it. Yeah. You would just have a custom command in my channel. Even if nobody uses it, you can use it. Yeah, you guys actually hear the rain? Why is my waist 68.5? Is my waist really 68.5? I don't even know why it's the waist command. I don't know too. it's back when I did the 1000 challenge. Now I remember. Oh, long time ago. Yeah. Yep. The phone's ringing. Mishi mishi. Sisters calling for the Niku. Oh, Niku. Oh, Niku.